This is the foyer. Very busy. This is the setup. This is my sister-in-law's boyfriend cooking the meat. Started off with brisket. My niece was cooking shrimp on her little grill. And we're celebrating my sister-in-law's birthday. The meat's cooked pretty fast. The smoke, wow, it was overbearing. Birthday girl is very happy, you can see.
Oh, look at my sister-in-law.
I was so hungry at this time. I was so hungry at this time. Let me start cooking myself.
That's what I'm talking about. My beautiful sister-in-law cooking for me. I can't really tell because it's so spicy. I don't know if I'm going to do this.
You did?
Scrimp, some chicken,
That's spicy.
some steak, a little bit of everything. Korean BBQ. You're in Taurus.
Gotta do it.
Yeah.